Oh, hey guys. Today's video features me and Brandon attempting to eat 2 undefeated 10-pound chili dogs. Now I know what you're thinking. Why is Eli standing outside holding this adorable little puppy? Well, some of the things that we talk about may seem inappropriate, but all we're doing is talking about the size of these massive hot dogs. I mean, they're undefeated. But for those of you who might seem offended, I do want to tell you now's your time to turn away, watch another video, or go outside and play with puppies. Have a good day. Oh, you stayed. I knew I liked you. Let's go watch this video.
Okay, and you're nobody unless you get a wiener shook at you. Nobody. Now you're somebody.
Actually, yesterday, a guy named Eli, he beat this challenge too.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
We're doing okay right now. We're here for the big hot dog, chili dog thing. What's happening, man? Oh, right now I am.
Huh?
Right now I am. What's your name again?
Sean.
Sean.
Yeah.
Good to meet you, man.
Nice
I
to meet you.
appreciate it. Where are you having this sitting at?
Like sit wherever you want.
Okay.
Sit wherever you want.
So has anybody done this yet?
Have they done the challenge?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
They finished
Sounds
it?
like no.
Nobody's finished
Nobody
it?
finished it.
What about as a team?
Has
Has anybody done as a team?
No, as a team, we had 2 people that got, I want to say 8 pounds.
Oh wow.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that's good.
Man versus Food's supposed to come and do it.
What's a new guy? I'm not a fan of him too much. The
Casey.
redhead
I'm not for sure. They called and they're supposed to bring 3 people.
guy? Oh wow, okay.
3 people's gonna attempt it?
Yeah.
Well, let them know that 2 guys
You
just
know,
did it.
They 3 different dogs.
Oh, 3
Yeah.
people, 3 individuals.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
More
Well,
power to them.
There you go.
not like that.
You can pick it up out of there if you want to. You couldn't eat it, so.
You go ahead and start out?
Go ahead.
All right, what is up, everybody? We are at Big Poppa's Barbecue here in Russellville, Arkansas, to take on their 10-pound chili dog challenge. This is an individual challenge. You get 30 minutes to complete this. If you do, you get $300. Teams can compete in this, same time limit, but they only get $50, but it's still pretty good size wiener.
Yeah.
So actually, he says the biggest wiener in the U.S., possibly the world. So
That you can order and take out.
that you can order and take out. So we're looking forward to that, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. There's about 2.5 pounds of cheese, 2.5 pounds of chili, and the rest is the hot dog and the bun. And what do you think, Brandon?
I'm thinking I'm gonna use everything you said, but if you ever take a 10-pound wiener out, the date usually pays everything for everything.
That's what I felt.
I'm used to it.
Now, I do have a question I think all the viewers are wanting to know, so I'm going to ask the hard-hitting questions. We've seen you do the hot dog trick in the past. Will we be seeing that action today?
Not today. I wish I brought a hot dog with me that was the same size of the hot dogs I usually practice with.
Yes.
But I think, do you have hot dogs here like regular size hot dogs? It doesn't have to be cooked either.
Yeah, she's gonna go get one.
Okay,
This here is-
you might see. I gotta see how girthy this dog is.
This is pretty
I have
girthy.
not stretched my throat for this.
Well,
Hopefully it's a little lighter than this. But I'm gonna take my hat off because it is rude to eat with a hat on, and it's probably rude to wear this hat. But could you tell them why I do this hot dog, what this hat is about?
Well, he loves butt drugs.
Tell them the fake thing.
So Corton, Indiana has a pharmacy named Pharmacy Butt Drugs, and they sell merchandise that's from up in Indiana. And so I traveled down to his house and I brought him a souvenir, and they have butt drugs and butt liquor. So if you're in Corton, Indiana, pay them a visit.
Okay, and you're nobody unless you get a wiener shook at you. Nobody. Now you're somebody. You're welcome. Okay, here we go. We're gonna start this by appetizers. You wanna do one?
I think I'm good.
I recommend nobody does what I do. I'm saying that now so I'm covered because I don't have any money anyway to sue, but I'm covered already. So if you fast forward, it's your fault. Okay, here we go. All right, we are ready to go. All right, oh, I should have got that face over here. Oh,
Might have to do another one.
no, it's Tuesday. I only do one on Tuesdays. Still hot?
Cooling down.
Okay, and time starts when you cut it.
Is that right? Right?
I think so. So are you doing steaks? I might do a bologna sandwich with cheese in the middle. I might do cheese out.
And I might go all the way down into the middle. Long ways.
Yeah, maybe. We'll see. Okay. Well, they're going to use our timer. They trust us, even though I said I put slower batteries in my timer to help us out. But are you ready?
You know, I think I'm ready to
I
take
would
this
butt
one
wieners,
on.
but it's like.
Well, you keep jabbing that knife toward me. It makes me wonder.
Is it bad luck to cross swords?
Yeah.
Sword fighting. That's what I heard. Sword fighting. Not kung fu fighting, but sword fighting. It's usually in the dark.
I'm going to keep my sword over here. You keep yours over there.
Okay. Well, let's get going because this is going to be rock hard. Cold, you know. Okay. Well, one. Ooh, that's better.
Yeah.
That's swords. Okay. Jokes aside, and hot dogs down your gullet. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Let's go. Let's taste this. Let's taste this winner.
Oh. And these are homemade, is that right?
Juicy.
Yes.
Yeah. Who makes these?
No, Petit Jean.
Petit Jean?
Petit Jean.
Petit Jean.
It's
Well-
a big meat company here in Arkansas.
Petit Jean, you guys are doing a delicious job. It's making this a little bit easier. Good chili taste, good cheese ratio. But Eli's wife is with us. So on the way home, 2 guys eating this much chili might be a lot of pit stops.
And you better hope you can find a pit stop in time. If not,
He's driving, so.
I was going to start doing the other stuff, but tasting that wiener, once you stop, you start, you can't stop.
It is juicy.
I'll go halfway in, not put all of it in. I was just going to do the tip, but I think I'm going to do half of it. And then start with the bun, because the meat's in between the bun. I'm here all week, people. I'm gonna lie. I might just do the whole freaking hot dog first. I'm lying. I'm gonna do the whole hot dog.
Is this the biggest wiener you've ever had?
It is. It is. It's quietest I've ever been when I had a big wiener like this.
Yes.
I'm sorry, you have to tell Petit Jean to watch this. Because I'm eating, I was going to save. No, I'm going to go ahead and get my glory first. Eat the whole freaking meatloaf.
that's a good dog, really.
They might think I'm lying. You got to come on down here. What's the address?
407 South Arkansas.
Bam. And I say Arkansas sometimes, but actually in the past, it was illegal. You could go to jail for saying it wrong, like Arkansas or Arkansas.
Right.
It was true. I know a lot of fun facts that are fun or facts, really. They are facts.
And this is available at their second location in Lamar.
Lamar, yep, 20 minutes from here.
Yeah.
I don't care if it's all over my face. I really don't. I'm sorry, folks.
Hmm.
3 minutes, 15 seconds, folks. We gotta hurry up. Somebody did eat this almost 7 pounds about, so that is a lot for an earthling, I say. But 2 people,
Well, they knew how
maybe
good
8
it
pounds.
tasted.
Huh?
They knew how good it was.
No. If you're in the area, oh,
You're not going to eat 7 pounds of a bad hot dog.
look at that. In your face. I just don't want to wipe my lips off. I want to keep it there.
You're going to keep it in your flavor saver?
No. Here's the timer on the screen, folks. People always want a timer on the screen. Bringing it to you.
4 minutes.
Just for you. And you. And stop talking about me on his channel. Yeah, I know. I read comments on other people's channel too.
He does read comments, guys. Ooh.
It's okay to get up and down when you're doing this, dog. Can you get up and down?
Yeah, you do calisthenics. You stand on your head.
Okay. All different positions. As long as you don't go to the bathroom position.
Up and down on the dog, it don't matter.
Up and down. That's what I was going for. Reverse. Okay.
Yeah.
The deal is just make the dog disappear.
Yes, that's it. Magic. Ooh. See, they probably heard it. Let's do it again. Okay. This is just it's a wind chime. You know the magic spell thing I put in there. So, hopefully I did.
Nice.
If I did, I'm looking even stupider.
I don't think that's possible.
No.
I'm feeling like that car ride home is going to be different than when we got here.
Like you rode a horse. Okay. I did forget to bring my fan. I haven't used it for a while. My fat people fan. Okay. Slam this meat at 6 minutes almost.
The timer is very accurate.
See, 6 minutes, 6:07. Okay. Still holding the texture of that bread, see? Drink, I probably had a drink. Because you got the drink inside of here. It's inside the hot dog.
Yes.
It's squirting. I had to put a disclaimer on the beginning of this, even though we're not talking about anything but a hot dog. Some people might think differently because they got a nasty mind.
What would they be thinking about?
Pizza? What else? All right. How long have you been doing this challenge?
We're on about our second year now.
Second year with nobody beat this thing. I don't even know if we told them that. It's undefeated. Oh, this is a lot. I didn't even notice until I started doing this. Whew. Okay.
Fair amount of bread.
Very filling.
You need me to cut?
Let's move this out the way. Excuse Excuse me, let's make some room. Wow, very pillowy.
What?
Very pillowy. That's some rich. It's coming. I think it's coming. One of the seasons is coming.
Coming on the wiener or coming in the chili?
Chili.
No.
A lot of coming. A lot. It's like spicy coming.
Oh.
Yeah.
8 minutes and almost 30 seconds now.
I like some of music, I don't know much about it, but I like some stuff.
Might just have to dive in here with my hands.
Got to, man. Don't worry about the mess.
Yeah.
That chili is, it's like, it's kicking in right here, like that coming, all that coming down my throat right here. I think it's cumin. I don't know. Normal people might call it cumin.
I actually don't know any normal people anymore.
I'm gonna have to put a disclaimer though, just in case. Somebody did say that on one of my videos, and I said this is a disclaimer, and you still watched it. I did my part. What she said. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Oh, I was gonna say, there's no hot dog left, is it? Meet this bread.
Don't go, man, you're doing good.
You're next.
Well, that's a shame.
We're 10 minutes in. Fair warning. And people, if you eat half in 10 minutes, that don't mean you're going to eat the other half another 10. It's not that kind of math.
No.
If you eat half in 10, the other might be 30.
That's normal math. This is food math.
Yeah, this is food math, folks. Even Einstein was so smart. He put the E before the I 2 times in his name. You hear me? I'm smart enough to know that. So. Oh. That spice is right. Stays here. Very thick. All right.
You've already finished your wiener, huh?
I mean, it's good, but enough of one thing. You get too much of one thing. It's like, wow. You what?
I'm wrapping up the last of my wiener, and you've already finished yours, huh?
It disappeared. But I wear earrings. I wear a lot of earrings. It might be
Does that help?
They say people with earrings eat faster.
I have to look into that.
Yeah, check out my channel. Give you my card. We put our cards under the table too. So if we don't eat this, we'll have to take them back.
Yes.
Because they got glass. We got glass over the top of the table. Excuse me? Making sure my microphone's plugged into the right hole. Because the input hole or whatever is right below it. Holes are like back to back.
You put in the wrong hole before?
They didn't say nothing, so I thought it was in the right one.
Oh.
I mean, if you don't say nothing,
Right.
if you don't say nothing, you just keep going.
Oh.
All the dogs gone?
The dog is gone.
So being that y'all done this a bunch, most of the people that I see do this, around 9 to 10 minutes, it's over for them.
Yeah?
I mean, do you feel
They
the
ate
same
breakfast.
Thing? Do you feel the same thing?
No, my whole life I didn't listen to myself. So just don't listen to yourself. Like some people, like they keep pounding. They pound like I guess.
I normally don't last 9 minutes.
Yeah, but
I'm good for a minute and a half, but
yeah, you pick up that momentum. It's just trickery. It's brain trickery, kind of. Like I always tell people, I think about unicorns and rainbows, and I don't think about what I'm doing. I'm thinking about what's that chair doing there? Santa Claus? Why is that?
right.
For real?
That's what it was for.
Okay.
Yeah.
For here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, we have Santa Claus up here, Easter Bunny. We have everybody. We had Deadpool here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you might want to put Easter on there now.
We do all kinds of crazy stuff. You never know what'll be happening here. Obviously,
Yeah.
it's a barbecue restaurant with a 10-pound chili dog.
Yeah, there you go.
And I'm serving tacos on Taco Tuesday.
Aw.
I should have wore an Easter outfit.
Right?
Do you have an Easter outfit?
No.
Okay.
Who's stupid enough
Not
to
yet.
have an Easter
You
outfit?
probably do.
I got a bear. I got a big bear.
Right.
But I'll be burning it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Barebacking this 10-pound hot dog?
No.
I think you could use your biggest fan.
Could. We gotta shut up and eat. We only have 16 minutes left.
16 minutes left.
And they have lots. They have lots.
Right.
Yeah.
And the man versus food people, if they come here, they won't even mention our name. They won't.
Really?
No, Kirby, Arkansas. Kirby's Cupcakes. There's a big Goliath cupcake. It's 22 cupcakes in one. Well, I'm stupid. I want to do 2. Nobody's ever done 2, so I did. They came like a little while later, never mentioned me doing 2 because if they didn't even do 1. But if they can't do 1 and they mention somebody does 2, that means they're not good at all. So they don't mention us. Yeah. I had to say that on camera, folks. I'm gonna say that in real life. Tasha don't like it, but that's how I do it. I say, hey, it's like man versus food, but I'm faster. She does not like me saying that. Just real life situations, folks. Some people want to be lied to. These days, people want to be lied to. I'm not gonna lie to you, folks. I'm gonna tell you the truth. If you like it or not. No.
My partner over at the other store is killing him. He ain't here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they're missing out.
Yeah. Oh, he loves it. He loves the challenge.
You get like 10,000 followers on Facebook and start doing like having signed a piece of paper saying that can we use the video? You can get paid every time somebody does it. You can have a video of it and people watch it and you get paid on Facebook and YouTube. Yeah, you can get paid where you get
I
paid.
got over 10,000 followers.
You can go ahead and
On my other page.
yeah, you can go ahead, but it has to be business page though.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, well there
My
you
Big
go.
Poppa's page on Lamar's over
Okay.
it's 12,000, I think. And that's the most for anybody around here.
Well, go ahead and apply for it. Apply for the business monetization, and then you can just go ahead and start making videos.
Huh.
Yeah.
Didn't know that. Learn something every day.
Yep.
I don't know.
If you need help, just email me and we can I'll try to help you out.
Heck yeah.
Okay, 14 minutes. Jesus, folks. I'm going to save this. I'm going to eat the bread. I know people say eat the bread for last, but I'm going to do it backwards. Reverse this cowboy. You got Diet Dr. Pepper, didn't you? You know why I said that? Because it tastes about just like Dr. Pepper.
Oh, really?
That's a sales pitch. You don't watch commercials?
No. But fast forward.
I was just about to say it because I knew she fast forward. Yeah, I knew you. Don't watch ads.
Fast forward.
Skip.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Got on my shirt.
Damn it.
Quarter pound on the shirt.
Stop that. You ain't getting in my car now.
Hey, today is front side.
At least I didn't get in my hair. I just got my hair done.
It's the back side you're gonna have to worry about in the car.
Both sides, okay?
I got an extra. No, I don't get an extra shirt.
You're gonna need extra shorts, not shirt. Especially if you don't catch a bath.
These are my Bahama shorts. These are my Florida Bahama shorts. These are my shoes. Bahama Crocs.
I like the shoes. Nice.
Okay. 12 and a half minutes almost. I'll let you know.
Remaining, folks. So enough minutes remaining.
Now, I'm very informative. People say, shut up and eat the food. Like, I want to enjoy. I want to have fun with a friend with 20 pounds of wieners, chili wieners.
How often do you get to play with big wieners with your friend like that?
It's pretty.
Actually, it wasn't that long ago.
That's what I showed you.
Oh yeah, that was Cincinnati, yeah.
4 weeks ago, last month, I don't know.
It was.
Oh, this is a monthly day.
I remember like it was yesterday. It was February the 7th, Sunday. It was on a Sunday.
Yeah.
This February 18th or so.
Okay.
And when you have a winter like that, you remember it. Remember the date.
And how you felt afterwards?
It was rough.
After a big old week,
It was rough.
how stretched out you are.
No.
Oh yeah.
If we did it back to back, kind of been easier.
Oh, God.
I'm gonna get comments. People's gonna unsubscribe because I'm being funny about wieners. But you kept going. I put a disclaimer on here. I'm just having fun, folks. Innuendos, whatever you want to call them. If the kids know what I'm talking about, they probably know more. They got the internet back. Jesus, I used to have to use a Sears catalog to read.
Oh yeah. Back when you had to use your imagination.
Yep. Now it's all out there. No sticky pages. Okay. 10.5 minutes.
Man.
So what's for dinner?
Yeah. That's what I always say. When I need dinner.
Right.
What's for dinner?
Oh, you did burp. Just burp.
Is it yours?
Is it?
That's
Swear all over there? Got it. There.
You
He's
get
already.
your juice all the way over
He's
there?
throwing food on me. Look at that.
Yeah, yours is bigger than
I got a piece of this.
Take it back.
That's his. Okay.
Gross.
I'll be happy to get this bread down here so I can eat this chili. Like ice cream.
Surprisingly enough, I think I've got my bread and the wiener is gone. I just got a ton of chili, so I am hoping to get this down in the next 9.5 minutes or there's not going to be a win.
Mexican ice cream. That's guacamole, but Mexican ice cream right there.
Hey. What do you
You know
think?
what they're saying now? Why don't they guys stop scraping the plate?
He's
They're saying there's people out there screaming at their camera.
Oh, yeah.
I can get like a crazy person. I had a girlfriend like that. She yelled at me. Stop scraping that plate!
I have a wife that yells at me.
Yeah?
Yell.
Ex-girlfriend?
No, he don't have an ex.
She's an ex-girlfriend.
Yeah, I'm the ex-girlfriend. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Oh, poor fella.
Okay, 9 minutes, 40 seconds.
Have a good one.
Mexican ice cream, Brandon.
My sister loved that fan. It's a Coca-Cola fan. Now I gotta try to put that in the video.
Look at those empty pans. Oh boy. Looking good. Getting closer.
Okay, I'm gonna say it was undefeated, hopefully. That shows Arkansas people how to eat.
Right.
So if you're from Arkansas and you can eat, you better come down and show us how it's done. Show us how to slam that wiener.
We're going home.
Now, one guy said that he could do it because he found out how much the prize was.
Yeah,
So the prize is going to make him eat more.
it's magic.
Oh my gosh. That's a lot.
Oh, Got
Oh,
the
he's got
meat
the meat
sweats.
7.5 to go, guys. Can it be done?
I'm showing him the other hot dog they ate. Oh, here it is. It's not a hot dog, it's a hot dog. That's something.
Turn this puppy around.
Yeah.
Eat it from the back.
They looked at
That's probably the worst part.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, that, yeah, they did.
They ate all of it in 8 minutes.
Okay. Couldn't see myself in my camera.
Oh my
Oh, golly.
Is that you or me?
Yeah.
I know.
There's a lot
Like
too.
3 of them I'd be like,
Oh, yeah, that's
I think we ate more than 7 pounds so far.
I think so.
Oh, yeah.
We'll know how much you ate in a minute.
Yep. Because the empty's gonna be 10 pounds.
Mm. 6 minutes.
Thank you.
Love it.
I've looked better. Not by a lot, but a little bit.
there's no way I could even eat half of that. I took one out of my work for everybody to eat. That's when we could eat at work. I guess that's a good idea to get the hot dog out.
Okay,
first.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
I think got snow batter in yours too. It's the same time. About one's taken off. Excuse me.
making history.
Yep.
For real.
Yeah. We've had people come in here that think they can eat like 2 pounds.
Oh, yeah.
And they're dead.
And they're like, oh wow, this is bigger than I thought. No, there's
You
no
would not
way.
believe how many people think everywhere we go when they see
Well, usually it's different. Usually it's smaller than what they say.
Yeah.
Right, oh really?
and they always say, well,
Yeah.
people will
I got it.
come and
I called it.
Yeah.
That's why you say it's a little lot littler.
Yes.
No.
So it looks it looks big at 3.
It was girthy though.
It's a good size.
You know you've had it.
Oh yeah.
God, you know he was there.
Felt that.
You felt that one.
I'm trying to be quiet over here. That's what I'm trying to do. Mr. Noisemaker.
Right, yeah.
He couldn't be Santa. He couldn't be Santa.
Right.
Does the water weight it down for you?
Huh?
Does the water help weight it down?
It just helps me get it down.
Really?
Yeah.
And I'm not much of a drinker. This is a lot for me drinking. I usually just sip.
Right. I've had them come in here and try to dip the. Start
Yeah.
trying to do like with that Joey guy from the eating those Nathan hot dogs. They want to dip their hot dog in water.
Yeah.
But it's already covered in the
Oh, I just blew my nose at the table. I'm getting all kind of hate mail. Yeah, I'm putting on the
I do
floor.
what I gotta do.
Put on the floor for now, folks. Jesus, I'm sorry. Not really. I apologize. I apologize. I don't say I'm sorry because I'm not a sorry guy anymore. If you ask me. If you ask me. Oh, 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Two minutes.
Okay. You almost there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 1 minute, 15 seconds.
Last bite for me.
All right, is this good?
I got it.
All right.
That's awesome.
Oh. Chauncey don't let me do that.
Oh man.
Hold them plates up.
Gotta swallow. Gotta swallow.
Good job. Okay, now hold your plate up again for me.
You good?
Okay.
Okay, Eli got me by like 4 seconds. I tried.
We both won.
Awesome. It is.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Well, I tell you what, man. You seem to always be the one that shares the biggest wieners with me, and I tell you, I wouldn't want to do that with anyone else.
Oh, excuse me. I do not like to disappoint.
Yes. And so for completing that 10-pound chili dog, we will both be the first and second winner, and we'll get the $300 prize for that. And how'd you like it, man?
That was good. It was really good. Excuse me. When you have a wiener that big, it starts sneezing.
Well, guys, he's incapacitated at the moment, but please, if you like that, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends, family, and even your boss.
Yeah.
Is that right?
And in the descriptions, I'm putting this channel in my descriptions. Ooh, in my descriptions.
But yeah, I'll see you next time, man.